In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft SharePoint. By the end, you'll know how to create a site, invite your team, organize files, publish pages and news, and track information with lists. Start by going to Microsoft365.com and signing in with your work or school account. Once you're in, open the app launcher, the grid icon in the top left, and select SharePoint. This takes you to the SharePoint Start page where you can see recent sites and activity. To build something new, click the Create Site button. You'll be asked to choose a site type. Pick a team site if you want a collaboration space with shared files, tasks, and conversations for a group. Choose a communication site if you're broadcasting information to a wider audience like company updates or department news. If you're unsure, think about who needs to contribute content. Frequent contributors usually point to a team site. Broad readership usually points to a communication site. Next, select a template to jumpstart your design and structure, then choose Use Template. Templates come with pre-built pages, navigation, and web parts, so you spend less time setting up and more time sharing content. Give your site a clear name and a helpful description, and set privacy to private or public. Private limits access to specific people you choose. Public allows anyone in your organization to view or join depending on your policies. Aim for a concise name so your site address is easy to remember. Add colleagues by typing their names or email addresses, then click Finish. You can always adjust membership later, but adding key people now gets collaboration going right away. With your site created, start organizing files in document libraries. A library is like a smart folder with powerful features. Create folders or use metadata columns such as category or project to classify files. Upload documents, drag and drop from your desktop, and use version history to track changes or restore earlier versions. Keep names consistent and agree on a simple structure with your team so everyone can find things quickly. Create pages and news to share updates and information. Click New and choose Page or News Post. Use web parts like text, image, document, and quick links to build engaging layouts. When you're happy, publish, and your content appears on the site, home, or news feed, depending on your setup. Finally, use lists to track data like requests, assets, or issues. Create a list from blank or a template, add columns for the details you need, and build views to sort, filter, or group entries. Inline editing makes updates fast, and you can set alerts so you're notified when things change. That's it. You've created a SharePoint site, set access, organized files, published content, and built a list to manage information.